set?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, what phone do you think we'll be fixing today? What device? You think it'll be the iPad, the iPhone, this phone, secret phone, this phone, or the MacBook? Now what do you think's in here? End it.
Okay, go.
Alright guys, you guys have 5 seconds to guess which device I'll be fixing and comment down below which one you think it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I will be fixing this one. Nope, this one. Yeah. What phone do you guys think this is? This is iPhone 10, I think. I don't know. 10x Max. Something like that. Yeah. So this phone broke because I was washing it and I put in hot water. Like not boiling hot water, but like I just washing my hands with hot water and I decided to wash my phone as well. And then it kind of got like, I don't know, a little weird. And then when I charged it, that's when it got fucked up. So yeah. What do you guys think's in this box? Yeah. What's in this box? You tell me.
A phone screen.
Phone screen. And how did you come across this phone screen?
I accidentally bought it from Alibaba or AliExpress. I don't even know which one. But I was just looking for phone screens, and then I saw a charge on my credit card. So yeah.
And you guys aren't supposed to know wherever you get the phone screens from because you know it's a little business that I'm gonna fix you guys' phones, but now you know, you fuckers. So look, in the box, in the screen, I'm gonna attempt to fix it. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed, guys, but if I do, I'm about to be a happy guy, and I might sell this phone after I fix it. I might buy phones, fix the screens, and then sell them for the full price. That's a good hustle. I'm giving you guys ideas if you guys want to steal my ideas. Can I end it? Okay guys, this is the screen. Come closer. This is what it looks like. That's the back. I gotta unscrew this, take it out. That's the easy part, and then I have to put this in, which is all easy. The only thing is there's a screw in here that's like a benzo screw. If you know the benzo logo, that's what the screw looks like. And I'm hoping it's in here because it's not in either of these kits. Because, I don't know. Hopefully it's in there. It's a new screw that I'm assuming Apple started putting in their stuff to make it harder. Because you know how they always like to try to keep you on the phone. So you have to go to them and pay the full price or whatever. So yeah. Hopefully they have it. Let's figure it out. Guys, I don't know if any of these are the right one, but we're gonna try and see if it works. I might just have to see what happens. Come get close-ups.
It's kind of close.
Okay, put to end it. Guys, this part's a little bit tricky, but it's not that difficult. You just gotta play around with it until it opens. I just don't want it to fall on the table because the table's glass and this one mistake might break it.
Is there screws or more screws?
More screws on the inside. First, I have to take the screen out. This part's always a little tricky, guys. If you guys do this, you kind of know. Some phones it's not. Some phones it is. These newer phones, they put a little bit of glue more than the older ones. And the way that it's round, my fingers kind of get in the way as well. Fuck. Okay, guys, I'm getting it. You getting this?
Yeah. Do you want the camera to keep moving?
I just want the camera to see the action. Okay, guys, it's in there. Now you get the little one. You just kind of go around it. Get the rest of it out. Be a little gentle, but not too gentle. This thing's pretty tough, you know? Don't be extra rough, but like, you can handle much of the pressure. Okay, guys, so it's basically out. I'm just making sure it comes out smoothly. And it's kind of bending it a little bit. And guys, it's good to kind of do this and go all around, because if you just rip it from here, you might crack the screen in half. And these cracks on the screen is not on the screen, it's on my screen protector. I have a glass screen protector. But that doesn't matter because my whole screen's fucked up now. The touch part doesn't work, so I need to replace the screen. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some glue in there, and that's what's kind of holding it kind of tight. So you guys see that glue? That's glue. Some of it got on my finger. Okay. Okay, guys, the screen's open. And this is what it looks like when it's open. Now I gotta get those little screws. It kind of looks like a benzo sign. It's like a little triangular thing. These annoying fucking screws. Guys, screwing the screws isn't hard. It's just getting the right screw heads that's pretty irritating. And these ones they made so nothing really works, but I'm just gonna try my luck and hopefully one of these work. This time doesn't work. Can you see it?
Not really.
It's kind of like the peace sign. Like, let me see if this one works. Oh, please, hopefully this one works. Oh, if this one works, I'm a happy guy.
I swear it was moving.
It looks like it was moving, but I don't think it's not moving at all though. See guys, if I could get this screen out, it'll be so easy to just replace it and put this one in. That's all I have to do. And yeah, some of it is missing parts, it looks like, but it's just me putting these parts onto here. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So I just need to get this out, and nothing else. don't know why these guys be putting these random ass screws up in there.
This is exactly why.
See guys, this is a battery. This is the cameras and stuff, like, you know. If you guys are interested in knowing what's what. Yeah guys, so with older phones it's pretty easy because they have all the basic screws, but Apple's always putting some new screws that don't exist in their devices, so you know, some fuckery. And what I'm trying to do guys is just find one that works, because none of these are the right screws. So I'm just trying to see which one could make it turn a little bit. Honestly, don't think none is. See guys, this is actually pretty easy. The hardest part is just having the screw, because these motherfuckers make some random ass screws. And guys, the way I learn how to do this is I just like learning things, and I like doing things myself, so I just do fuckery. I have a lot of phones, so whenever they break, I don't fix them, but if I have like an older phone that broke, I decided to fix it, and that's how I learned how to do this. AJ used to take my phone to the people. So if I did this for you guys, I'll probably charge you guys 100. But if you guys brought it to the people who do it, they're gonna charge you, I think, somebody told me like 800, 500, something like that. So yeah. I never took mine to anybody to fix it, but
I got my phone fixed at Apple once. It was 400 or 460, something like that.
yeah, see? Something like that. I don't know the price. I never got mine fixed.
And it was just the glass was only broken. Everything else worked.
Yeah. And the reason they try to charge everybody so expensive, guys, because most of the technology is in the screen. Like, this is like the, I don't know, the core of the phone. Everything is basic, like a battery, a camera, like, you know? Plus, they just want to charge you a lot. To them, it doesn't cost none of the prices they're charging. See, guys, look, I have basically 3 things to do this, and none of them have this thing, and they have a lot of different screws, because this screw just doesn't exist. This is the non-existing screw. I don't think none of these are actually gonna work. So guys, this one is the actual closest one. This one is a benzo screw, but it's just big. Oh yes, guys, I did it. Okay guys, I turned one screw. I'm so happy. Okay, let me clean this up. Okay guys, let's see if I succeed or fail at this. So far I've got one screw out. And yes. Whatever, that screws out enough. So if I can get this screw out. Guys, if I can get all these screws out, then I can really show you guys how to do this shit. Oh my. think I just got lucky with that one because the rest are not coming out.
It should.
Don't make it come out. Don't make
I'm
this
just
one
looking
come
at
out.
it. What's
See how this one's up?
Yeah, you want it out anyways.
Yeah, but the others are not coming out. So much to come out and it's being so difficult. Only if this thing was sharper, I think it has to have more of a point.
I think it came up a little, right?
Not at all.
You want to film this entire process?
Okay, you could cut it.
Hmm?
Cut it. Shine a light? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna close up the phone, let you guys see how to close it up. Pretty sure you guys know how to open it, you know how to close it, but who knows? So let me show you guys. So you put the screws back in here. Yeah, and then you just turn it. And most of the time these things are a little magnetic for some reason. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, like, you guys see how easy that is to screw in? That's how easy it's supposed to be to take out that other screw, but it's not the right screw head, so it's never gonna work. Yeah, this one is like a star, I think. So you guys look at this. Come closer. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's cool. Wait.
Oh my, this one is so tight. Alright guys, and that's how you do it.
Okay, it's recording when you're ready.
Started?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I've attempted for about a half an hour. I got that one screw out luckily within like 5 to 7 minutes, I think. And the rest are just not coming out. I've tried and it's just not working. So what I'm gonna try to do is order a next screw, the right screw thing. And I might have trouble finding that, so this video will continue to be continued. Yeah.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Now do your hands.